everybody, this is Jody Becker, and today I would like to show you some very basic features, because I only have 5 minutes, at my favorite website builder, which is Wix.com. You can get to that at www.wix.com. You can create your own account. I simply log in using my email and my password, and in order to walk you through this tutorial today, I am simply going to choose from blank templates, and I will go ahead and start from scratch. This price is free. There are other templates that you can choose from that come with their own photographs, but sometimes I find these a little bit more difficult to edit. So for today's purpose, we're going with blank templates, and I will choose a classic layout. In this tutorial, I would like to show you how to add and delete pages, how to add, delete text and titles, as well as adjust the font size, the font color. I'd like to show you how to add photos and videos, and finally change the page background. So this template already came with a menu bar. You can see right now that I am an editor because I have these options available, along with this toolbar up top. So if I want to add or delete a page, I go up here to my Pages tab and click on the down triangle, and the menu will pop up. So here I'm at the home screen right now. If I want to navigate between pages, I can simply click here. This takes me to the About page, the Services page, the Gallery is a subpage attached to that, and of course the contact information. So from here, I can hide any of these pages by simply clicking on this little circle icon, and then I can go down and select Hide, and that actually removes that from the menu bar. I can also double click and change the name of something. Click on Done, and then I can unhide that or show that. And as you can see, it shows up again on the menu bar. So the next thing I wanted to show you how to do, so that was how to add and delete pages. The next thing I'd like to show you how to do is add, delete, and edit text and titles. So the name of the site, of course, this is a text box. So I can click on this and I can edit text. You can see the text settings comes up here, so I can change the font size by scrolling right here. I can bold it if I'd like to, and I can also change the font color. Then I simply close to exit out of this. So while this is selected, I'm going to just type in my name, and it's shown up in that color as well as in the same font size. I'll increase this just a little bit. Select and increase. There we go. And as you can see, everything moves down the page in order to accommodate these. So your lower margin is actually going to be what will change. So I can add paragraphs, or I can add site titles, and I can add paragraphs. You simply click on these and they'll come up, and then you drag them wherever you'd like them to be. So it's been added to the header, and that means it's going to show up on every single page. So I will edit this text. Again, it will be highlighted. I'll just type in tutorial 1. And then I can click anywhere on the page, and there it is. You can also add paragraphs. Simply click here. We have titles, paragraphs, or you can add some related apps. So that is adding and deleting text and titles. If I want to delete this, I can right click on this and go down and choose delete. I can also copy this, or with the selected, I can simply click delete on the toolbar. So next I'd like to show you how to add some photos. You simply go over here to add, and I'll go to image, and you can choose from free Wix images, or you can choose from something that you have already uploaded to your gallery. I'm going to go to my image uploads. I'll just choose one, and I will select add to page. You can see that pops up. You can adjust the size of it anywhere you'd like. and I will just simply bring this down here. So again, I can change this image. I can choose a different one from my gallery and choose this image instead, and it changes just like that. There's also crop options. You can add some special effects to it, some animation so it flies in when the page is open, all kinds of fun stuff like that. So I've shown you how to add and change a photo. I'm simply going to delete this. As you can see, it is selected, and I will hit delete on my keyboard. The next thing I'd like to show you how to do is how to add a video. So again, I click on the add button, and we will scroll down here to video, and I can add a YouTube video. So under here I can change the video, and if you want to change it to a video that you found on YouTube or perhaps one that you've created yourself, as in the case of a tutorial, you simply go to YouTube. You can copy and paste that link. Right, so you copy the link from YouTube and you can simply paste it in right here, and it will adjust that for you. You can also determine if you want this to play on loading or if you want to play it in a continuous loop. So the last and final step of this tutorial is going to be to show you how to change the page background. It's fairly easy. You just click on the page background. Make sure you don't click on an image or a text box or anything like that. And then this button comes up to change page background. Here you can choose from colors. When you scroll over them, they will show, so you get a little bit of a preview of what that might look like. You can choose from images. You can upload your own images. You can choose from your gallery. You can do social images, free images from Wix, or big stock images. We can go with the pebbles, and we'll click on change page background. So another thing, in order to stay consistent, you would likely want to apply this to other pages or not. I'm going to go ahead and apply this to all pages. So I think that this is it for me. I know this is not laid out very well. For the purposes of keeping this at a minimal time limit, I'm going to stop here. So I've shown you how to add and delete pages, how to add and delete text and titles, as well as adjust the color, the font, and the font size. I've shown you how to add photos and videos, and how to change the page background. So that's it for me. Hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.